Good morning, folks. Welcome to QuantSap. This is Vicky Sajnani. Let's get started with the morning market brief. Nifty 50, 17,731, 0.5% down. Nifty Bank, 0.6% down, 41,244. Let's see what it's in store for us from the SGX Nifty angle. SGX Nifty points to a close to 160 points cut in the Nifty. So 570, 550 range is where it's expected to open up. Looking at the charts of Nifty, as we suggest, that major technical level, of course, happens to be 18,000 and 18,200, that range. Of course, intermittent technical level is 17,800. So 17,800, 18,000 are the two resistance points on the higher side. 17,500 we expecting markets to open, so 17,200 and 17,000 are the two major supports. Looking at the built up on the futures end, we saw some amount of long unwinding, and prior to that some amount of short covering when the rise was happening. Kind of a mixed bag situation, but we will have to wait and watch how the 17,200 support is handled today. That's the major litmus test for Nifty as of now. 17 major support zone as per the OI picture looks like is going to be 17,500, and next major is 17,000 on the puts. On the calls front, 18,000 on the higher side. That's the resistance for Nifty. Looking at Bank Nifty, 41,250 thereabouts was the where we shut shop. So 41,500, 42,000, and I believe 41,000 is the major support zone now. And post that 4,500 is where we would see the next major support. Bank Nifty, again, we have not seen a short demand as of now. So we are still in the long unwinding cycle. So let's see how it pans out during the day. As of today, as far as the OI picture is concerned, 41,500 happens to be the resistance point, and 42,000. On the lower side, 41,000 and 4,500. Looking at the top gainers and losers, Britannia, Lal Path Labs, Granules, Cement Pact was on the losing end, ACC, Sri Cement, Ambuja Cement were the losers. Looking at the index contribution, private banks contributing minus 23 points, IT contributing minus 21 points. Much of the other sectors were in the negative territory except FMCG, which contributed 17.8 points on the positive side. So long built up in FMCG. On the short side, auto ancillary, cap goods, cement, IT, metals. So much of the sectors are in the short side, and long unwinding side. Long unwinding side, auto, Bank Nifty stocks, fertilizer, infra, media. HCL Tech is one stock which लग रहा है कि भाई थोड़ी गिरावट आ सकती है. 890 का major support है. The major support is close to 890, and the next major level is 870 as such. On a breakdown of these levels, you could see pressure on the counter. ऊपर के बाजू upside resistance is at close to 920, 935 levels, and then next major level is at 960, close to 960 levels. Looking at the futures OI picture, you are seeing some shorts, and over a period of time, what we have seen is a bout of short covering, but not substantial enough. Much of it has been on the short side. So let's see how that evolves during the day. So looking at the OI picture again, so you see a major support zone only close to, I mean, there is call writing, but there is hardly any put writing. So, but much of the zone is, I think on the lower side would be 880, 860 zone. And on the higher side, 1000 happens to be a strong level. Of course, intermittent, there are levels of 940, 920 zone. The next stock which we discuss is DV's Labs. Again, this could be on the kind of a downward bias. 3530 is the support zone, and the next major support zone is at 3450. Resistance being close to 3,720, major resistance hurdle for this counter. As far as the OI picture is concerned for the futures end, we are seeing built up of shorts, and intermittently we see some amount of long unwinding and short covering. So we're still in the, looks like we are in the short covering cycle. As far as the futures picture is concerned, 3,700 and 3,500, two major levels which it exhibits. And looking at the band list, Canfin Homes, Ambuja Cement, Delta Corp, RBL Bank, Escorts, and PVR are in the band list. Possible exits are Escorts and PVR. Possible entrants which could come in would be PNB and Idea. Well, before we do the summary, I would like to highlight to you that please ensure that you consult your financial advisor before taking up trades, and please adhere to strict stop losses while participating in the derivatives market, which is extremely essential. So Nifty, summarizing, 17,800, 18,000 on the higher side, 17,200, 17,000 on the lower side. We saw Bank Nifty 41,500, 42,000, and then you had 41,000 as a support zone and 40,500, 40,000 other levels. Sectoral long build up FMCG, short build up is auto, ancillary, cap goods, and cement. The two stocks which we focused on was HCL Tech and DV's Labs. And the band list, as we already highlighted to you, were the variety of stocks which were in the band list: PVR, Escorts, RBL Bank, Delta Corp, Ambuja Cement, and Canfin Homes. Well, that's it from my side. Wish you happy trading. All the best. Thank you.